This is not your regular chicken and waffles. I put it on a stick, cooked it right in the waffle iron, and the crunch with that fluffy waffle. Yeah, you want to see this. So first I started off with some chicken breast. I brought some thin cut chicken and I sliced it into strips. Then I seasoned it. I used some chicken bouillon, some smoked paprika, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and black pepper. I used some all-purpose seasoning, also adobo, and I also used a little bit of salt, but not much. Now we're going to get everything mixed well. Then I added in 2 large eggs. Then we're just going to give it a mix again. Then I set it in the fridge to marinate for about 30 minutes while I work on my batter. Now this dispenser here is a really cool dispenser. You can make everything right into this one dispenser, no extra dishes. You pour all your mix inside here, and it has like a little beater inside, and once you put everything in, you're going to shake it up and everything is mixed well. I love this batter dispenser. I sell it on my TikTok shop if you guys are interested. Then I made flour batter, and I used those same seasonings that I seasoned my chicken with and put it into that bag and shake it up. Then we are going to drop it into our oil that's been preheated and temperature was brought up to 350. Now let's just check our chicken and make sure it has the right internal temperature of 160. After they have cooled off, then we're going to take some skewers and just pierce your chicken and put it straight through the middle of the chicken. Okay guys, here's the fun part. Now it's time to put our batter into the waffle iron. You want to make sure that you do spray down your waffle iron first. Now the batter, you're not going to pour all over the whole waffle iron. You just want to pour like a line straight down the middle of those two pockets of the waffle iron. You just want to put a little right through there because this is where you're going to lay your chicken on. Now we're going to take one of those chickens that are on the strip. Now, some of that waffle is going to be a little extra. You're going to clean that up once you take it off the waffle iron. So now you want to pour some batter on top of your chicken that's on the stick. Now you're going to close your waffle iron and wait till your indicator says it's done. And there you have it. Waffles on a stick.